Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change reservation dates on booking.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on booking.com, you can simply choose the following options to create your account. You can use your Facebook, your Google, and your Apple. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, changing the dates on reservations made through booking.com is a straightforward process, but make sure that the booking allows or eligible you are eligible for the changes, because sometimes there are certain bookings that does not allow changes prior to the event date itself. Now, the next option is you need to log in and go to the profile icon on the booking and trips. It's on the upper right corner. Okay, click on it. What will happen is just find the reservation you wish to change and click on it to view the booking details. Okay, as you can see, this page allows all of your bookings. If you made a booking, don't see it here, you can import it using the booking confirmation number and PIN. Right, and from here, obviously look for the option to modify your reservation. This might be labeled as change dates, modify reservation, or something similar. But the thing is, I want you to realize that not all reservation is eligible for changes, so you have to make sure that the terms and conditions has been read and meet the requirements. If you have the option, enter the new check-in and check-out dates you prefer. Ensure the new dates are available and the property allows date changes for your reservation type. After that, all you're gonna do is review the reservation, including any potential differences in price or additional recharges. Confirm the new dates and details are correct. Once you've done that, click on the confirm or submit button to finalize the date change. You should receive a confirmation email from booking.com with the updated reservation details. If you get any problems along the way changing the booking details here, as you can see, this is going to be the booking.com help center. Now, as you can see, these are the channels that you can reach the booking.com. They are available 24 hours a day via the help center. You can send a message, call them, and contact the property. For details about your stay, they usually know the best. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.